great to understand kind of where the web is going. And to understand that, we need to know where the web has been. The first website was created in 1991 by Sir Tim Berners-Lee, a pioneer in the online space. Over the next about 8 years, the web started taking shape from being a portal to actually being a transactional internet with browser-based email, online banking, etc. To visualize this, it was really a read-only web. This idea that you could download a song, read an article, find out information on a person, even read an online book, but it was all a one-way communication. It was just a pull situation, read-only. As the web evolved, really right around 1999, the second stage of development of the World Wide Web came about, and is characterized by a change from static sites to more of a growth of social media and a collaboration. So now on that same song, we can write reviews. We can collaborate on an article. We can connect and share with somebody. We can discuss a book, right? This interaction really has taken the web to a whole nother level. We're right now in Web 3.0, and Web 3.0 is the third evolution of the web that's identified as what's called semantic web. Now, loosely that just means it's a mapping and understanding the relationship of all the content and its participation with each other. So if we were to graph that, it's the same items, but now we have a little more context, a little more understanding about that data. Maybe an article is written by a particular person. That particular person maybe was reading a specific book. Maybe a song references a book. Maybe a person loves this song, right? This idea of understanding the relationship of data starts to form the semantic web. Now, there's a lot more in-depth element to it. We won't get into that in this one here, but I actually have a whole post just on semantic web and how it plays into search engine optimization. But in a nutshell, it allows for tailor-made search, personalized search, and really a deductive reasoning. The next evolution, Web maybe 4.0, is this idea of an Internet of Things, or IoT. This term refers to a network of objects which haven't historically been connected to the Internet. The evolution of the Internet will include everyday objects with network connectivity, able to send and receive information and data. So it could be potentially, your refrigerator could tell you that it's out of milk, right? When you walk in the room, your lights could go on. In some cases, it already happens with that. This idea that every thing that we use could have its own IP address, right? And it could be reporting and receiving information for us. The next kind of evolution likely will be an emotional web. And without getting too far out there, likely Web 5.0 will be this kind of an interaction between humans and computers. What I mean by that is the web currently is emotionally neutral, right? Which means the web doesn't perceive users' feelings or emotions, and this will likely change. Tim Berners-Lee has predicted this as a likely evolution of where the web is going.